Shark StainStriker HairPro. Your ultimate stain slayer for rugs, cars and pet mess, smells fresh, works magic. Meet the Shark StainStriker HairPro, the superhero of spot and stain cleaning. With unbeatable suction power, advanced HairPro technology, and a compact, lightweight design, it tackles tough messes like a pro. Whether it's stubborn pet stains, embedded hair, or odors that won't budge, the StainStriker annihilates them effortlessly. Its innovative dual solution system unleashes the power of oxy without messy premixing, making every clean a breeze. From carpets to upholstery, and even car interiors, this cleaner doesn't just remove stains, it rescues your surfaces. Say goodbye to stains and hello to fresh, clean spaces with Shark. Why settle for mediocre when you can have stain-busting brilliance? The Shark StainStriker HairPro outperforms competitors with its HairPro technology, eliminating embedded hair without clogs or tangles. Its superior dual solution system tackles both pet and household stains with unmatched power, leaving no trace behind. Designed with convenience in mind, its lightweight, portable frame ensures you can clean anywhere, from the living room to the car. With Shark, you're not just cleaning, you're conquering. Save time, energy, and frustration with a cleaner that truly works. The Shark StainStriker HairPro eliminates the need for endless scrubbing or multiple cleaning tools. Its unbeatable suction power lifts even the deepest stains, while the advanced odor clearing technology neutralizes unpleasant smells, including pet urine and smoke. You'll also love how the included formulas simplify cleaning. Just load, clean, and admire the results. Investing in Shark means fewer wasted products, less hassle, and a cleaner, fresher home. Durability and quality are non-negotiables with Shark. Built to handle life's messiest moments, the StainStriker HairPro is crafted from premium materials that ensure lasting performance. Customers rave about its reliability, saying it's the best carpet spot cleaner they've ever owned. Compact yet powerful, it's easy to store, yet rugged enough for daily use. Compared to other cleaners, Shark consistently ranks higher in effectiveness, usability, and satisfaction. Once you try it, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Your search for the perfect cleaner ends here. The Shark StainStriker HairPro isn't just a cleaning tool, it's a game changer. Ideal for pet owners, parents, or anyone who values spotless spaces, it makes cleaning easy, fast, and even enjoyable. Affordable, tech-tested, and designed for real life, it's worth every penny. Don't let stains and odors cramp your style. Choose Shark, and let the StainStriker redefine what it means to have a clean home. Fresh vibes, no hassle, just Shark it.